Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today in this video, I will introduce you to the AIV, that is Active Intelligence Visualization. It is an AI powered visualization tool that is designed to bring your data to real life. Whether you are tracking a performance matrices or analyzing any trends or covering any complex data, you can use AIV to create simple and creative and interactive dashboards or any reports that helps you to understand the data better. AI will help you to visualize complex data in a way that clearly and easily understandable. So this is the login page of AIV. So myself, Vishal, I am pursuing BCA degree. So I log in, will redirect to the AIV. It shows the dashboards that you have created. By clicking on Active Intelligence, here it shows the steps that you can create and work with AIV by following just these three steps. The first one, you have to show the source of file that you are creating or working with, whether it is CSV, Excel, or Google Sheet, any of the file. AIV supports all these types of files, and then you have to create the data sets based on these files and working with it. And step third is you can create creative dashboards or reports or any analysis based on the data sets and the files that you have interacted. So today I will show the dashboards that I have created. I have fabulous experience that I have gained while working with AIV. So this is the IPL 2023 dashboard that I have created. So on the right side you can see the different icons. So the dashboard is in preview mode. So by clicking on the icon dashboard, you can easily edit it. So here is my dashboard. On the left hand side you can see the hamburgers. This shows the different functionalities that supports the dashboard, the documents you created, the master data, that the data sources, data sets that you created. We will come to this all in further videos. Today we will only talk about the dashboards, how we can work with it. So on the left hand side that you have seen in this arrow, these all are the widgets and the different visuals that AI supports and provides. You can use any of them as per your requirements based on the data you are created, like tables, charts, maps, card, image, documents, analysis, etc. As per your requirement, you can use it. So first of all, we'll start my dashboard. So these three are the widgets, KPIs that I have added, like of total players, most expensive player, least expensive player, and then right to them, it is the image tags that I have added of IPL 2023. These are the bars tags that are showing player roles distribution according to their franchise in IPL 2023. Like in GT in Gujarat Titans, we can see the all-rounder, how much series of all-rounders are there, bowlers are there. We can easily see and predict out that in which team most number of all-rounders are there. You can see LSG have most numbers of all-rounders are there in 2023. This is the real base data, the real data I have created the dashboard. This bar graph, this is the bar graph that I've created. Here this shows the number of players by their nationalities in IPL, like of from which nationality they are belongs to. So they have total number of 309 players, out of which 200 are only of Indian players. South Africa covers 19 players, Bangladesh 4 players, England 24, and further on. So this is the pie chart that I've created. You can, as you can see, by clicking on the color or the tab, it shows the number of that how much the particular verse it covers. Like CSK covers 45, 25%. Okay, so the next is the funnel. This shows the percentage of retained, sold, and unsold players in IPL 2023. As you can easily show, the major portion covers is of retained player (RET), that is retained player. 51% of retained players are there in 2023 IPL. 26% are sold players, and 23% are unsold players that remains unsold in the IPL 2023. As you can see right off it, it is the donut, variable donut, that shows the most percentage will be the higher as compared to the lower one. It covers the percentage of players the franchise have in IPL 2023, like 8% GT covers, 8% RCB covers, CSK covers 25, Punjab cover 7%, and further on. You can also easily add more charts if you want to. Like for example, on the left hand side, by clicking on the charts, it will show me this. It will show me the which type of chart you want, like column, bar, line chart, area chart, pie and donut, or other. So let's show me an example to you. If I select column, you have to given the data set also. In the value column, I will see the base price. This you have to give category access also, oh, because without it it will not print. So you can see it in just few seconds easily. He created a column chart, this showing the base prices of the players. Or I'll show you one more example of like pie chart. Let me change its column. Let's write as franchisee. This is the pie chart that I have created based on the franchisee. I have to change here also franchisee. Now it will show me like this. So in just few seconds it's create a pie chart easily. So that's all for today's video. As we can see that how efficiently and effectively you can work with AIV and create different dashboards, creative reports or analysis as per your requirements. You can work with AIV. So that's all for today's video. If you like the video, please drop down a comment, like the video, and share the video. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.